Hi, this is the demonstration showing the working of a prototype that we built for it's called iSpat. So you must have ever visited a new place and wondered how it would have looked a couple of decades back, or how the transitions must have been, how the place must have changed over the years. A lot of places have historical significance associated with it. And sometimes it would be really interesting to look at a place and realize that there was a church standing over here or there was a memorial over here at least like 5 decades back. As cities are transitioning very quickly, there is a lot of changes that are happening to the landscape of every single place. So this application will help you with that. So let's say you're walking on Hillsborough Street and then there you get a notification you want to learn more about Hillsborough Street or Fayetteville Street, like how it would have looked or what's the important thing that happened on Hillsborough Street, the history of Hillsborough Street as such. So this application solves that problem. As you can see, so once we press over that, we are taken to the main page of Hillsborough Street, which gives us the latest local food places that are there, like Chipotle, Jimmy John. So this is like the one-stop application for you. Whenever you go to a new place or you're at your old place and you want to explore some places. So this will provide you with places where you can eat food or places where you can have fun, like movies, places where you can, it's like TripAdvisor, Yelp, and everything in once. So this is the Hillsborough Street. There'll be a lot of information about Hillsborough Street if you are interested to read that. Otherwise, you can just head to home, where you'll be taken to your profile screen. So, if you want to, the main thing about this is it will list out all the places that you have already visited. Like, for example, Fayetteville Street, Hillsborough Street, Madison Square Garden. These are all the places that you visited. Now, let's say you want to read more about Fayetteville Street, you can. So, over here, this is the Fayetteville Street today. And then these are the places that you can go out and visit. Apart from that, it shows the timeline. So this was Fayetteville Street in 1910, and then this was in 1920, 1950, and we also provided a way to have ads in the middle so that we can build revenue out of it. Thus, the business model is also successful in that way. And also, we can go like this. This actually shows the street in one particular angle. As you can see, the transition that's happening through your eyes. So this is the main problem that we try to solve. Now let's say we go to you can also log in with your password. If you don't have a username and password, you can actually create a new account where you can use this. So that is there. And let's say you already created your account. And now one important aspect that we wanted to also include in this particular application is the aspect of trivia. We realize that people will learn and indulge more in the app when there is something like a question. It's like something like quiz up where you keep getting more points if you get more questions right. So over here, so which is not a major educational institute on Hillsborough Street. This is a very simple trivia questions. You'll face trivia questions like this. You can also share this trivia question with your friends so that you can also tell them that you can also ask them for help, or you can be like, can you answer this? And now let's say you get it right. I think it's Christian school. Yes, so you get like 20 points, and you can do this learn more where you can get back to the more information, you learn more about the information. And let's say you want to go for this, then this is the whole application as such. Thank you.